The next thing we need to do is to modify the welcome component that we see on the Hydrogen app. The welcome component consists of two boxes that we mentioned before. We want to override it. Go to the welcome component, that is welcome.server.jsx. Then on the export default, paste the code inside. And then we need to remove the unused components that we won't use on the export default. Scroll up and remove all of these functions. After removing the functions, let's modify the store info component. Rewrite this and paste the code. Then save the file. Now this is the modified welcome component. Next, we will need to modify the featured box component that is after the welcome component. Copy the code. Then go to the editor. Go to the index.server.jsx, that is the main page for our project. Then rewrite our featured box component. Then get back to our browser. And this is the featured products that we modify. The background is changed to blue, but there are some things that we need to adjust. That's all for this part. For the next part, we will need to modify the product collections page. And that's it. I'll see you next video.